Today, we're gonna take you to the neighborhood that is the most familiar to us and the place we call home.
Lovely day, huh? Lovely weather.
We are at Hackney Bridge.
Can't wait.
It's a space where people meet, have a drink, there is a central bar, and their food stands around. They have pizzas, they have fries, they have Filipino cuisine, Mexican, whatever you like is inside. Come with me, I'll show you.
We can give a local tip.
Usually on Wednesdays, there is a pizza place called Made in Puglia that sell pizzas for £6.
Yeah, you will need to queue for hours.
Prepare to queue for like half an hour and then another half an hour to get your pizza.
Well, I don't know you, but I think I need a coffee. Well, there are some options. That's what we are here for. Morning coffee is a routine I can never live without. Yeah, I would say it's a good coffee. There is a slight note of acidity. It's nice and full body. I like it. We are going that way, by the way.
Oh, oops.
I see these gums everywhere. Why is it? Why are these gums everywhere? Is it that famous?
That's the Gum Man. The Gum Man. He's an artist, a graffiti artist. He's really famous around East London, specifically Hackney Wick. We'll show you around Hackney Wick. There's several of his graffiti.
$6.80. So it's fair price. You have two slices. They're quite generous. Good crunchy. So pizza is really good. Recommended. Come and try the New York style pizza from the Slice Club. So the one you're seeing now is another of the famous pubs called the Lord Napier. Karaoke room, bar, private pub, everything. If you are looking for excitement, drinks and DJs, here is the place. It's a dangerous place to be. The vintage clothing and thrift shop is your kind of vibe. You will find plenty in Hackney Wick. So tell me what you had.
I got the LUK chicken curry, coconut potato, peppers and chicken served with jasmine rice. It's really soft, tender, delicious.
I got the Mama's LUK dumpling, pork with some spicy sauce. They're really, really tasty, they're really good. And also, I don't know if you can notice, if you come closer, they're really crunchy. They are like fried to perfection. So thanks for the recommendation, very good spot, we'll come again. Here you can rent a canoe for like half an hour, 1 hour, and with your friends you can go up and down the canal. It's quite a fun thing to do, isn't it? It is. This is the Barge East.
This is a very old boat that it was converted to a restaurant, a floating restaurant, if you may, because you're on the water. What's more exciting than this? And it's quite characteristic. And it seems like they're doing a really good Sunday roast. I have a place we need to go. Crave is a microbrewery, which means they brew their own beers. And you can have a different selection, really good beers, really good. And also they do some amazing pizzas, particular, but it's really good. I would recommend to go for the lamb.
The place is quite nice though, it's right by the canal. It's not too, complicated or whatsoever. Just benches by the canal. Where are we, Pampomo?
At the Queen's Yard.
Queen's Yard. Let's talk about history and cool stuff. So it's a parking lot, okay? But in reality, it's like the square of Hackney Wick. This is where, clubs, restaurants, bars are. For example, behind us is the Color Factory. It is quite of a notorious club. We were before at Crate. On the other side, there is Howling Hops, which is a tank bar. So basically, the beer is stored in these big tanks and you drink directly from the tanks. Maybe we should go and check it out. On that side, we have Fab Wick, and also in front of us,
Wicked Fish.
Wicked Fish. They do
amazing fish and chips.
Should we get another beer? What do you think?
Yeah.
To the tank?
Yes.
We are at one of our favorite beer places. It's not a traditional pub in the sense that they have fridges on 3 sides with hundreds of beers from different places in Europe, US, and I think also Australia, but all around the world. So you can either get your usual beer on a tap, or you can pick up a can or a bottle from the fridge and sip your favorite beer from everywhere around the world. They also have a selection of lambic beer, which is a particular type of beer that is made in Belgium. It's more alcoholic, it's a bit more sour, resembles a bit of wine, and is not common to find in traditional or more normal pubs. So that's something that we discovered early this year and we really like. So let's go and have a look inside. Let's try one of those beers.